Good day to the GPS community. This is Barry Grimes with Grimes Property Solutions, GPS, and we are leading the way to affordable housing. I'm out in Archer, Florida today, just outside of Gainesville, with another great affordable home for you. Now this home has to be moved off this property onto your own private property. We're going to have a great deal on it as usual, but this is a 3-2 1985 home that's in really good shape. There are only a couple of things you'll need to worry about. I can see from here the roof is going to need some attention, so that's one of the things. And the other thing is the ductwork for the AC. Let's take a quick walk around this home. Again, it's really solid, it's in good shape. It's ready to be moved. The air conditioner itself works well, but again, the ductwork needs to be taken care of. That's not too difficult or too expensive to do. There are a few window units that he said are fairly new that he'll leave with the home, so that's going to help you out. Now you'll notice there's 3 decks on this home. Those decks do not come with the home. If you're interested in those, we may be able to work something out, but again, they would have to be moved. They're not actually attached to the home, so the move process should be fairly simple. You can see the chimney, so you know we've got a fireplace inside. Again, that roof is going to need some attention, but with this home, that's really not going to be that huge of a deal because it's in really good shape outside of that. Here's the air conditioner. This unit's only a couple years old, he tells me. It does come with the home, but you will have to get ductwork installed. So you got the nice French doors leading out the back way here. Third door from the laundry room. This home is just a little bit over 1,200 square feet, so it's really good size. Good size bedrooms. And some of the other spaces in here are very nice as well. So you can see outside, it looks really good. Here's that third deck. Again, this deck does not come with the home. But let's go ahead inside and see what we have. I encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like this video, and also hit the bell, ring that bell so you can get notification as we have more video tours of our mobile homes that come up. Okay, so you kind of walk into the living room, dining room area. Nice separate eating area for the dining room. Then really spacious living room with the fireplace. As we get closer to the holiday season, that's really nice to have. Again, we have some French doors leading into this bedroom that has some built-in, so this may have been used as an office at one point. But again, this is a really nice sized room with a couple of closets. We don't have lights in the closets, but you know, good space within these closets. Got lots of windows, so there's good natural lighting that comes in. And look at those French doors from the inside. Fireplace is great. The floors are nice and solid. You know, even with the roof and the condition that it's in, I don't see a ton of areas where the water is leaked through, but that will definitely require some attention. Here's the second bathroom. Got new vanity tops in here, water efficient toilets, and tub shower combination. It's a third bedroom, decent size. I mean, it is a third bedroom. You could probably fit a queen in here, but I'd go with a double. And, you know, a decent sized closet. You're not going to get a ton of stuff in there, but it does serve the need for the third bedroom. Again, this living room is really spacious. So we go into the kitchen. Nice Formica countertops. Upgraded cabinets that are perfectly useful. You may want to look at investing in some more modern cabinets. But again, these are in solid condition and definitely will do the trick. Looks like an old built-in cassette radio player here. You don't see that very often. Everything works. The stove, that's a gas stove that comes with it. The fridge comes with it. Another view of the dining room. We've got some faulty light bulbs here in the laundry room, but you know, this washer and dryer come with it as well. Little pantry. It's a very functional kitchen, pretty decent counter space, really good cabinet space. Make our way back through the dining room into the master. Okay, there's one of those window units, but good size master. And you can easily get a king size bed in here for sure. We've got a few ceiling fans throughout. Got a nice walk-in shower. Again, we've got a new vanity top on there, new vanity. Lots of drawer space. Again, stand-up shower there, stand-up tub, if you will. Energy-efficient toilet. The owners will be removing all of the furniture and other belongings out of the home before you move it. Here's the master closet. Pretty good size. Nice L-shaped closet. And there you have it. This 1985 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is going to be available soon. Noah Grimes is going to be handling this property. All of his contact information will be in the description below. So please feel free to get in touch with him if you want to see it, set up a private showing, or if you just have some questions. Just imagine a nice fire burning in there during the holidays with some stockings hung with care. What a great setting. This is Barry Grimes signing off on this video tour for today. Again, Noah's going to be handling this. Be sure to get in touch with him if you want to see the home or have questions. And also like our video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to get notifications of future video tours as they come out. Thank you.